Hey, Hannah here with Delta. Today I want to talk about adjusting your rotational limit stop on Delta multi-choice tub and shower trims. The rotational limit stop sets how far your handle can turn to hot. If you have any issues with your shower or bath water running extremely hot or not hot enough, then this is a quick adjustment you could make to solve that. Today we'll be covering a single function trim, which is typically a model number that begins with T13 or T14. So I'll show you how to do that right now. So I've gone ahead and taken my handle off with a 3/32 hex key. That will show you your rotational limit stop. I am going to put my handle back on so I can turn the water back on and off. If you need help accessing your rotational limit stop, feel free to give Delta's customer service a call. They're happy to help. Okay, now it's time to test our water temperature. Industry standard says that 120 degrees is the maximum, but your local code may vary. Typically 90 to 110 degrees is comfortable. Okay, so we're gonna start by turning our water on to cold. We're gonna let it run to cold just for a few seconds. Then we're gonna turn it all the way to hot and let it get as hot as it can get. Now we're gonna take our thermometer and run it under the water and see where we're at. Okay, so that's holding steady at 92 degrees, and you do want to make sure that you wait until the thermometer stops at a number or hovers around a number so you don't get a false reading. So that's a little bit cold for me. So I'm going to adjust my rotational limit stop. And to do that, I'm going to pull my handle off. And then you'll see there's directional arrows on the top that point to hotter and colder. So I'm going to pull it out, and I'm going to move it just a couple grooves over towards the hot, just to make it a little bit hotter. Now we're going to put our handle back on, turn it back on to hot, and see where we're at. Okay, that's right at 105, which is exactly where I want it to be. If you still need to adjust yours, just adjust it little by little until you achieve the temperature you need. Okay, now the last step is to take our 3/32 hex key, and we're gonna tighten this set screw. Okay, that looks good. All right, I hope that solved your water temperature issues and that it's set at the perfect temperature for you. If you have any questions or need any help, feel free to reach out to Delta's customer service. They have a knowledgeable support staff, happy to help.